Dreaming of effortless days on Dale Hollow Lake? Make every boating moment count with expert boat lift solutions. TN Econo Lifts is your trusted source for premium lift systems built to last, serving Dale Hollow Lake with precision and pride. We specialize in custom-fit boat lifts tailored to your dock and watercraft. From pontoon boats to wakeboard rigs, we've got the perfect lift for you. Protect your investment with top-tier engineering. Our Econo lifts are made in the USA and engineered for stability, safety, and simplicity. No more struggling with ropes, bumpers, or unstable docks. Wave goodbye to dock damage and costly repairs. Our solutions reduce hull wear, improve accessibility, and increase dock space. Need a lift for your jet ski or PWC? We've got you covered with floating docks and drive-on lifts that make launch and recovery a breeze. Installation is quick, clean, and done right the first time. Our team knows Dale Hollow's shoreline and water levels inside and out. That means zero guesswork and a perfect fit every time. We don't just install, we advise, inspect, and maintain so you enjoy worry-free lake time all season long. So why settle for basic when you can go pro? Get expert boat lift services that match the beauty and reliability of Dale Hollow Lake. Call TN Econo Lifts today. Your dock deserves the best.